Hey everyone! So in this video I'm about to get my hair done for the first time in Japan. This is a sneak peek of how I got my hair done, but before we get started with this video, I just have a quick word from our sponsor, Ana Luisa. Right now I'm wearing these like little star drop earrings, which are so pretty and so elegant, but also like very understated, so it doesn't really overwhelm whatever I'm wearing. And I'm wearing two necklaces, as you can see. I've got the M initial, and then this is the Hana Lee heart necklace. I really love both of these. This is such a charming piece. It is so shiny. And this M initial necklace, since I got it like 4 weeks ago, I have not taken it off. I actually literally just keep it on all day. I've been looking for a piece that I could wear every single day that doesn't feel too heavy or bothersome, so I really like how it's really thin so that I barely even notice it even when I'm sleeping. Ana Luisa has been one of my favorite brands to work with of all time because they consistently have amazing products that are so beautifully designed with a wide range of styles, but they're all really affordable, so you don't have to worry about, spending a lot of money on some nice jewelry. I've actually, purchased really expensive jewelry that I don't even care about as much as my pieces from Ana Luisa. So make sure to check the link down below in my description box to get a special discount off your next Ana Luisa order. And with that, let's go get my hair done. Hello! Today I am at a hair salon in Japan. As you can see, my roots have grown out and it's time for a hair transformation, but in Japan! So I follow this Instagram account and I follow this artist named Shiga-san. He is known for doing like anime-inspired hair colors. I've always wanted to do like panty and stocking inspired hair, where stocking has like kind of purple on the top and pink on the bottom and also in her bangs. This is actually my first time coming to a hair salon in Japan, getting my hair done in Japan at all. So yeah, I will walk you guys through my entire experience and let you guys know what to expect.
みずきちゃん、みずきちゃん。
失礼します。はい、一緒に塗ってきます。
はい、お願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
全集中わかる？
わかりません。
おお、わかんない。鬼滅の刃は？
あ、鬼滅の刃。あ、英語で全然違います。
あ、なんだっけ？
Demon Slayer。あ、見た。もちろん。
炭治郎。
あ、そうそう、炭治郎。そう。
集中ってわかります？あ。お、すごいわかるんだ。それをもう全部集中する。
あー、わかります。
全集中です。
全集中。
はい。よろしくお願いします。
はい、よろしくお願いします。
全集中、水の呼吸。
水の呼吸、それしています。
久しぶりにこんな全集中でブリーチしてます。
ありがとうございます。Hello. I'm switching you guys to selfie mode. If you can see the inception going on right here. Because I can't move in my chair and you guys are over there on the table, so just for ease, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a close-up of what's going on. So right now is complete focus. So they're being really careful to not touch my scalp because I let them know that I have a bleach allergy. They're really worried, which is really sweet. They keep asking me, are you okay? And I'm totally okay, it doesn't hurt at all. I also asked them for a more gentle bleach formula, but I was able to like really communicate and ask for a lot of, I guess like special requests for my appointment, and they're super accommodating. Compared to most clients, I do ask for a lot of additional things like off-scalp bleaching and also like a weaker bleach formula because I'm sensitive. But they have been super accommodating, and so it's been a really good experience so far.
日本とアメリカでそのブリーチの強さが違う。
多分ですね。
そうだからあんまり日本のブリーチ多分そんなに染みないかも。
マジで全然痛くない。Hello. The final touch is always the head plastic wrap. The bleaching process took about an hour and a half. It takes quite some time for me because again I asked for off scalp, but so far everything's going great. Everyone's freaking nice and funny. Man, I'm a hoot. Oh. Wow, this is the most ugly angle that I've ever seen you guys from. You're welcome. Roots are done. I think when you get like any sort of hair color, it's really important to talk to your stylist about what you want to do after. So not just what you're doing now, but like for your following hair appointments, like what color do you want to do next time or in the future, so that you guys can settle on a color for the day that will allow your future colors to be possible as well. So so if I wanted to go blonde in the future, they were saying that it would be kind of difficult with the purple because some leftover color would be a possibility, and so I was like, okay, that's fine. As long as I can go back to pink afterwards, like my whole entire head, then I'm okay with that. And so we reached a resolution. So I'm gonna probably go back to pink in the future as like a safe color. But until then, we are going to do the stocking hair color that I wanted with purple and pink. So it's happening.
それではスタートします。
はい。Ooh, it's pink time. Wow. これ薄いのピンクがすごく素敵です。Yay! My favorite shade of pink and this purple. I'm really excited. そして後でちょっとだけカットでできますか？はい。はい、お願いします。あ、この色が素敵です。
ね、可愛いよ。
Color is done. Wow. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit, let it sit, and then we are going to wash this bad boy out. Okay, so what I've noticed so far is that the bleach is weaker here, but for me that's a good thing because usually the bleach is really strong in America and it really hurts, and it's usually the case for most salons that I've been to. But yeah, this stylist and I were talking about how it seems like I have like little to no reaction to the products here, which is such a relief. Color, sometimes I also have like a reaction to the color or toner depending on what it is. It doesn't hurt, it just feels like super ice cold, so that's the reaction that I'm getting. But other than that, this entire experience has been super comfortable. So yeah, so far this experience is going very well. We are entering hour 3 soon, but once we wash this out, I think we're gonna blow dry, do some styling, and then we'll be done. Wow, sticky! Pittari!
Yay!
Yay! Wow! Pink da! Wow, sticky! I'm done! Okay, what time is it? It is 8:36, so I started at 5, so this took about 3 hours and a half, which, including a bleach retouch and color, they were really fast. So, oh my gosh, they did a lot of things. They did like different treatments. They also gave me a little haircut, just a little trim, and oh, my hair feels so fucking good. Holy shit. Oh my god. Ah! They did exactly what I wanted. As far as favorite hair colors go, this is probably one of my favorites. I really wanted this hair color for so long, but I just like didn't have the guts to, go to purple again, so I'm so glad. Make sure to follow the team. I'm going to link all of their Instagrams down below, and if you are in Tokyo, you can find them in Shibuya, and the name of the store is Willy. The staff that I work with today is Shiga and also Mizuki. They're really amazing. You guys will be in good hands. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye! スキピそう私のスキピだよ。すごい。
ミスさんスキピは？
ちょっとまだ。
みずきさんスキピいないんですよ。
わかります。すいません、そういう感じじゃないです。すいません。
今10 years。
すごい。
いないともう生きていけない。一緒にいたいですね。もう帰ってすぐ抱きしめたいね。